thy hands.
Minisita yagambye ebi obu yaba ari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okuhendera omushomo gw'okugunjura abebembezi ba Mutomba ogumazire bibiri kandi okukorirwa offices za Town Council ya Mutomba District.
The examples mu village side. Ekawawe owe neye properties, neye mbuzi, neye mutungente, toba kunjura tutunge mbuzi n'entama, okubente tukumanye kuzirisa. Okay, so
life is low. How are you going to help them to move from low levels of economic life into a progressive economic life? How are you helping them to tap into government programs? There's the PDM now, which should not leave anybody behind.
Minisita Kabyanga Godfrey yagaruka yabashaba kurekeraho entaro z'obururu ngwabo kuba obururu buhwire kandi buri omwe nayetenga mugenzi we.
Let us all stick on national interests against personal interests. Elections are over. If we have talked so many things against one another, let us forgive one another. And then we move forward.
Karija Benoni chairman w'entebe ya Katano Mutomba nawe yashamanya Mutomba okwejumbira mukora bakagira akasente ngo akuba sente ni shukuru ahamagara gabo obo bari kwerwa programs za government.
Nira kadiri kurugayo. Money is your voice. So muronese mukiona mumosho mubire murachigo mutarachigo muronese. Service delivery, you do not use the roads effectively.
Twagisa abantu bitu programs ziriza muchaka tubasa kubihamu abo tutina abana bitu especially eminyeto ebuzire abo tukufayo mumaka bakuruga tubakufaga zire tubakufayo nozo mumaka ubuzire ali simu bwana ali simu.
Bamwe abegesi b'omushomogu basime ekitongole kya ICT and National Guidance abo kubatendeka hamwe no kubegesa obumwe
kinga omu district yitu obumwe noratube tarukwatanisa abira mu divisions konga divisions ezo tutandika na after this training intekateka nguniza kwamu abo kuba we have been impacted and impacted with different and a lot of knowledge from this training.
Amakuru gagasha kwa Olivia Nasasira abwatari West Mutomba.